Welcome back to Titan Vans. Today we're going to be going into detail about our classic build. It's really like nothing else on the market, with a starting price of $44,995 for the 144 chassis, so that's the Sprinter option. We're going to be going over all the base options that come with the base package for that starting price, and then showing you the modularity and the versatility that's packed in to this very special build. All right, we're going to start off with the base package and everything that's included with the classic 144 at that price point. On the interior here, we have our wheel well cabinets that house all of our utilities. On the driver's side is the plumbing system. So on board is a 20-gallon freshwater tank, a 2.9 gallon per minute water pump, and all of the pre-connections mounted here on the driver's side for a galley if you choose to add it. On the passenger side wheel well cabinet is all of our electrical components. Standard with our base model is a 200 amp hour lithium ion battery, a 2400 watt inverter from Victron, and all of the electrical components needed that are housed in our utility electrical panel. Also standard on this base package is a 330 watt solar panel mounted on the roof, and charge controllers to make sure everything is managed correctly down into the battery bank. Our electrical system is one of the best on the market with built-in recovery, and it's one of the only systems that is fully off-grid recoverable. You have a jump start connection, which will allow you to jump start the Mercedes cranking battery. If in some case your battery dies, a quick push of the button will allow you to jump start that battery from your Titan lithium ion battery. We also have built-in backup power supply systems that will recover the battery in a low voltage or a low temperature situation. The windows that come with the Classic include the slider door fixed glass window. On the driver's side, we have a 621L window from C.R. Lawrence. This has dual operation, so two awning style portions that flip out, and has integrated screens on both windows. Above the bed, we have two C.R. Lawrence AW1033 windows. These are also awning styles with integrated screens and come standard with the Classic base package. Also on the exterior of the vehicle, we have a porch light that's mounted above the passenger door. The switch is located right here at the slider door, right here on the B column plastic. On the back of the van, we have our shore power plug that allows you to plug in using a standard extension cord. There's also an exterior outlet that's 120 volt powered. On top of the vehicle, the standard base package comes with a rear mount fan, but there's lots of upgrade options to tailor that in to meet your heating and cooling needs. The base package interior comes standard with a WEBASTO 2000 STC model. For lighting inside the van, the base package comes standard with 6 overhead puck lights that can be controlled from 3 different switch locations. The base floor in our Classic comes with a set of L-track underneath the bed in the cargo area. This will allow you to safely carry additional equipment such as bikes, motorcycles, snowmobiles, or even integrate our slide-out tray system, which is a plug-and-play upgrade. We have 4 different floor layouts for the Classic. The other 3 are specifically designed to give you additional seating configurations by adding additional L-track in the floor. Standard is our coin dot flooring. This flooring is what Boeing uses in all of its airplanes. It is lightweight, extremely durable, slip resistant, and chemical resistant. Additionally, all of our base models include an extended floor to increase the square footage in the van and give you a small cubby cab accessible when the slider door is open. For sleeping, the Classic comes with a 2-part mattress and our proprietary bi-slide bed platform. This is a telescoping aluminum bed platform that can be stowed as it is now, or in its fully extended position to form a nearly king-size bed. The bi-slide bed is also fully removable, so if you do want to carry larger equipment or just use the van for more utilitarian options, then you can easily pop the bed out using 2 people to get all that space back really quickly. The base Classic comes complete with all the interior finishings. This includes sound deadening throughout, including up above the driver and passenger seat, in the headliner area, as well as all the doors. We also add a 3M thin slit insulation throughout and interior paneling that has backer foam and upholstery. This includes tweed on the walls and vinyl on the ceiling. We have 2 different upholstery packages to select from to make sure you get the right look for your van. The last item we want to talk about that's included with the base package is the control panel area. The control panel is the brains of the system and where you'll interface with the van to turn off all the various components. We have a remote control switch to control the inverter, as well as a breaker panel to control all the various 120 volt outlets, a WEBASTO remote control, a water pump switch, tank heater pad switch, and a battery monitor to give you all the information about the lithium-ion battery installed in the rear of the vehicle. There's also a remote control that comes standard with the fan, which is included in the base package. This has controls that will allow you to adjust all of the settings on the fan. There are also controls on the fan itself that allow you to control the exact same features. As you can see, the base package of the Classic is packed with a lot of features, but if you need additional items, there are a variety of both exterior and interior options to really make the van your own. Most of the interior upgrade options are fully removable. The versatility and modularity of the van allows you to select the different upgrade options you need so you don't spend money on what you don't need and you only get the things that are really going to make the van what you want. Because we've designed the van with these upgrade options already in mind, this allows them to be plug and play to meet your immediate needs or the need for that specific trip. As life changes, kids move out, or you bring new members into the family, you can always add additional seating, additional cabinetry to gain more storage. All of these are designed to be that plug and play option that really sets the Classic apart.